Mama Wakwaba, what frame Ajoa searching Mesro now was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
One say ento asum say wo pese party no mfa wo nkogina se franka tuni na at the same time one kasa so timi dan wachi esan betwa bo party no ebegu party no ma animase e kan nsem bi no ma emfata de kire party no just because you had an ambition that you want to be a leader of the party. Me am I kan kire me Kennedy is my mentor, but I support MPP, not a single person. And you know, anything that will make MPP look unpopular, piano, I will talk against it. If there are ways and meanings to prove wrong. So, and you know, I'm talking out of what them call anger because of I have been defending and fighting and you can say promoting Kennedy Japan for many years. But this time round, I cannot promote him and I cannot support him because of the me enye. The Kennedy Japan yen 1 pp amanyoko no mu no enye fine. Ensema oke kande fa among yoko no hono ento asum. They were all taking it serious. Now all go beyond the rules and the regulations of the party. Or the personal attacks on the people. No, it is not fair. No, you're welcome, sir. And you're fine because we are all heading forward for one achievement, which is to maintain power in 2024. And you know, if you have the ambition to come and lead the party, then why should you have to denigrate the massive effort a Jumadana Bangway aye didn't tell us now meka and some phone and funnel. One who Godfred Ban say is because of some meno mempeno kure. So I say meno mempeno kure. Tell me the truth about what Kennedy Japan is saying. No kure bena Kennedy ka. No kure Kennedy can say Kennedy is deceiving some of you, the MPP supporters, the way that the NDC deceive you with the cheaper propaganda. And some Kennedy can, it is a way, the same way the NDC for they capture the mindset of you Ghanaians. And now, we delegates. Only a Juma ye, me ba me ye Juma, me ma wanya Juma. And now, me ba, I will develop tourism. Me ba, I will make farming a mechanical way of farming. Mimianom. No kure na o kan ne de wo he. And he said, I was so be my president and so what to me. Aye nyuma bi ati say. Where John Damilo say onye president o. And so John Damilo in his way no, he is making mechanic farming. Koso aye successful man for di omwani ehu. John Damilo onye president. Enti adentia uye Ghana ni na wo support abanya onte saa oba oman no mu a audience saya enti sebie aba Ghana even in COVID and Ukraine Russia war aban we yetima gina ne nan so ama oman no gina so gina ne nan so a teacher ni bia na obetumi asoro akese yentua ne ka nurse ni bia na obetumi akese yentua ne ka fire service ni bia na obetumi akese yentua ne ka police ni bi ntumi nkese yentua ne ka soldier ni bi na obetumi akese yentua ne ka even in the difficulties times no esa abre we na to aban no Airborne and home model air supply the GFA, the GAF, Ghana Armed Forces. A fair na bangway air more things so that they can defend your life and protect you from serious issues. And the thing to come out and say, bangway one home model as an MPP person. Godfrey, Mr. Kennedy is saying the truth. What is the truth that he's talking about? Now, Mr. Kennedy making such a cheap propaganda. Now, I was thinking, Kennedy will never expose himself with this type of communications. Kennedy, a big Kakum businessman, international deals. You came out openly to tell people, say, the CD depreciation no eye Dr. Bawood Bawumia fought. Kennedy, why? What is the truth about this? Muamuni Ghana, Muamoti Ghana. Muamoti Ghana. Aya sabio muntu kwandano. Se mumpo die mokasa, I will not blame you. But nipa binomo omosi omuye Kennedy support omotia brochire. Na omuhu kwanya dollar di euro fa so. Omuhu kwanya dollar di pound sterling fa so. Yaka euro yesika bia. Amanyoku a omudi euro no. Omuye the strongest nations in the world, both economically, in terms of arms and every aspect. Omuye the strongest in the world, but still no dollar no chi omu bubu omu pansam omu. Now we Kennedy awoye nipa bi awo outside connections. Awunim what is happening in the other part of the world. Utimi be so microphone mu be jira ka kira amanfo say MPP abana lose because of say MPP abaya ma amanfo sikashe. Kennedy, how can you say such thing? Dear Ben timi ma ujina nipa doma nim ema asem bi say free wanumu ba. Unim sa asem na o kan na suicide amount. Even if you become the flag bearer of the party, asemna ifiri wanumu bana, a suicide. Yeah, the betcha bro, and this for the betcha bro. And this will not allow you to change your narrative. They will for sure connect you to the MPP records. And it's a one case of Betranasika say, and MPP now more here. Don't you know that you are digging your own grave for yourself? Now, the Yami Yana said, you will nipa binuma or Monsieur Omoniate from your professors, and Omudi Kennedy, and Omoyan Yodium. So, when second dear, and in some minute, Oman Francia, now what Tibiama. And no mudi na chino mo in yedium. She will seek ano. Omono mo wasem yano because Kennedy at this time, I can tell you by fact, he want to get down. But he say he cannot get down because he has make people feel say he is going to win. Now there, Montana ho na monwe November 4th. What is going to happen? Politics.